Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right. Next, we can do about factorization by y. This one we can change dy over dx. Next, dx I will put on the right and we divide both sides by x. Y we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So x squared divided by x, you got about x. This one we have 1 over x. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of 2x, that is about x squared. The next one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. So this one, that is about when x equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, here, and here. So we have c equals to negative number 1. So that means we can put negative number 1 gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.